Hey Jack, I like to stay here on planet Mars, but there is a call from Houston. They said we must come back to Earth tomorrow.
I like to stay here too. People here on planet Mars are much more advanced in technology than on our own planet Earth.
Yes Jack, and they are very kind and peaceful, no wars, no violence, no corruption, and everybody is equal, no rich, no poor, a very good place to live.
Yes Sally, we are so lucky to find this planet called Mars, and we are the only humans on Earth to meet people from other planet. That is a very huge giant leap for mankind on Earth.
And the foods here on planet Mars is more better than our planet Earth. I like the fried dinosaur, the sushi and fish sashimi, very delicious.
What shall we do now? Our mission boss might get angry and fire us from being an Earth astronaut. We might go to jail when we come back not on time.
No Jack, we just stay here and forget our own planet Earth. People here on planet Mars is exactly the same as it is on Earth, only people here on planet Mars are more beautiful.
What the plan? Shall we call back to Houston or stop communicating and just live here forever? We in a better place now, way better from our own unpeaceful violent Earth.
Jack, there is a call from Houston. They want us to come back to Earth at once. I think they are jealous on us. They said they want to go here too, but they have no chance.
I will call Houston. Hello Houston, we like here, very peaceful here. People are very kind, good place to live here, and I found a very cute sexy Martian girl to marry. Sayonara Houston.